Okay, friends, today we're going to make a great casserole. This is a meatball rice casserole. I'm so excited to share this with you. We're going to put it together in less than 10 minutes, and it's going to feed 6 people, and it's not going to break the bank. It's very budget friendly. Let's get into it. We're going to start off this easy peasy recipe with beef broth. We're going to add 3 cups of beef broth to an empty mixing bowl. And right behind that, we're going to add in a whole jar of marinara pasta sauce. It can be the store brand or your favorite brand of marinara sauce. We've all had those nights where you just need easy, and this recipe is going to be for one of those nights. We're going to kind of blend all of those ingredients together, whisk it together there, and then we're going to add in a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add some nice seasoning to the mixture, and then right behind that we're going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning into the mixing bowl. We're going to give that another good whisk together to make sure it's all combined nice and gently there, and then we're going to get ready to set this bowl aside. And there we go. Next, we're going to prep our 9 by 13 baking dish with a little bit of oil or grease. And then after we prep that dish, we're going to add our uncooked rice to the bottom of that baking dish. We're going to try to spread that as evenly as possible. So you're going to kind of pat that down and get that rice pretty even. We're going to grab that mixing bowl of our ingredients that we set aside. We're going to pour that right on top of that uncooked rice. We're going to pour the whole bowl, mixing bowl, right on top. That's going to encase all of that uncooked rice. On top of that, we're going to grab our meatballs. Now you need about 40 frozen meatballs here to make this easy recipe. I'm going to just dump about half of this bag into the baking dish. Make sure that the meatballs are kind of spread out evenly, and make sure that the dish is full of meatballs. And like I said, it's going to take about 40. And you can do a little less or a little bit more, whatever works best for you. And then on top of that, on the meatballs, we're going to add a cup of Parmesan cheese. We're going to kind of gently sprinkle that evenly as we can on top of the meatballs. And then right behind that, the recipe calls for 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese to be sprinkled over the top. Now you can add a little bit more cheese here if you'd like. I can see where there's a little bit more room to add some cheese. We're going to cover this dish with tin foil, and we're going to cover it tightly. And we have preheated our oven at 375 degrees, and we're going to cook this dish for 40 minutes. Hey, here is our rice meatball, or our meatball rice casserole. Look at this. It looks so good. Now, I did take it out of the oven and let it set up for a little bit. I'm going to take a nice corner chunk here. Smells so great. Look at that. Oh, look at those meatballs all surrounded with all that rice, marinara sauce, all that cheese. Oh, we got a loose one here. So delicious. Let's just put that right on top there. Now let's taste this fabulous casserole. I'm smelling the nice depth of all of the seasoning in there. The rice is cooked perfectly. I've got cheese, meatball. Alrighty. It's so good. 100%. You're going to want to make this one so good. Hey, we put this together in less than 10 minutes. It cooked in the oven for about 50 minutes. This is going to feed at least 6 to 8 people. It's a goodie. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching, and guess what? I'll see you in the next one.